In case if you are missing any number in between while practicing flashcards, that's okay. Why? Because every time it's not possible to solve quickly. So in case, for example, I'm doing this question, see 32, 48, and you miss this number. So let's say you miss 52 in between. So obviously the answer will be wrong. Why? Because you did not add all the numbers. But you should not stop once you missed a number. You should continue doing until the end. In case if you miss one or two or three any numbers, you should not stop in between. You should continue until question mark is there. Okay. So why? Because that's also kind of practice. Even if you miss some numbers in between, answer might not be wrong, but you are practicing your flashcards, right? So you are not wasting your time by clicking on replay. So when you should click on replay, once question mark is done, you should click on replay and do that question one more time. You should not click on replay once you miss a number. For example, if I miss 22, you should not click on replay. Why? Because you can solve the rest of the question even though you have missed a number. So in this way you will not waste time, and there is also scope of practice there.